So my name is Yumiko Nyberg. I'm originally from Japan, born in Tokyo, Shinjuku, Tokyo, and raised there. Then I came to San Francisco for a while. Then I'm in Michigan right now. I think I'm living in the United States longer than I was in Japan, I think. And I make, like you see, there's a origami craft. I'm doing an art show for quite a years now. Yeah. And why I'm doing it, I don't know. I've been folding this paper crane like this one since I was young, like a single digit year. I don't remember how I learned it, but it must be my mother told me. But so I've been folding it for a long time. So then one day decided to maybe I should make a business out of it. So I was folding small birds like this in that size in like a gum wrapper, something like that. So I can fold a little one, so I can make earrings out of it, right? So that became a business, and so I made the earrings. I made some mobiles, extended to the rings, and that umbrella. So started making more frames. Bookmarks and all kind of idea frames there, and so yeah, it became business. I've been doing the craft show for quite a years now. Yeah. Idea of craft show, I guess. I'm not like a veteran or anything like that, but something about when you apply in a show, there's photos. The pictures are very important, I heard. So if you have to have like a professional pictures to get into big show like another art show. So my big issue was I don't have a really good like a professional photo. So I haven't got into the another art show yet. They're very particular about it. But so there are like lots more like a fine art show. So there's the big difference between fine art show, craft show, some like a different level of the show. So mine's a rather crafty craft show than a fine art. So harder to get in big show like another thing like that. But I've been very lucky to have lots of show almost every weekend this summer. I did in all over the Michigan, and yeah. What am I supposed to say? Yeah, it's been doing great, and pictures.
What would you avoid?
Well, I don't know what to avoid. Like not supposed to do. I don't know.
Then what should you do?
Well, the setting is important. I think the booth setting is very important. I heard. Like, mine's not the really professional looking booth. And then I know that someone told me, I forgot this time, but I'll raise more table. Because I do have pretty cheap one, but a bed riser to raise the table about this high. So the people doesn't have to look down so much on my stuff. So there was more higher like that. So you're able to see. But I forgot today. Forgot this weekend, so I don't have a higher table. But yeah, they really suggested table higher and then make a nice wall. So this is not really nice wall, but a professional person has a really nice board like that. So that's really nice. Okay. All right. So ready to do shows like vehicle is pretty important, right? Depends on how much you have. Some artists has big painting work like that, need to be bigger pen or some trucks or some people has trailer, but my cases, mine's are not really big. I can compact into the small cases, so I only have just a minivan. Yeah, that's all I have. That's just enough. Mine's lucky enough to chair or go down to the floor, easy to take care, doesn't have to go out. So yeah, that's plus. But yeah, mine's pretty pack easy. So yeah, minivan's just enough for me. And so yeah, and then mine's a little fragile. You can see it's a paper. So each of them packed into some bag, each in a bag, like a Ziploc bag, so it doesn't get tangled each other. So yeah, that I did take care of. So make sure not squish. So put in a suitcase to not able to squish, right? And suitcase are very nice because it has a wheel. So if you heavy stuff like frames, I have like a bunch of frames over here to carry, and then mine's a glass surface, so it's pretty heavy. So suitcase is easy to carry around. Yeah. So regular like a travel suitcase is really easy to carry, and also that one's glass. So I walk before, so make sure bubble wrap or the wrap around with the glass, so you don't lose your product. So I have done that. So yeah, so suitcase nice. And yeah, what else I should say?